Reynolds. Straight and hard goes Xavier Willison. If you don't mind, in the starting side. What a start for Brisbane. Willison, the youngster, crosses first.
4.
The ground is wet, so every time, as you see, a 40-20 attempt here.
Oh, he's got it. He's got it. What a kick. What a kick from Billy Walters, a 40-20. Wow. Preston. Walters. Reynolds. Now Carrigan. That passes forward. Allowed to play on. It is play on for Brisbane. And they are going to get a try through Adam Reynolds, who's over.
He's hurt his shoulder.
Let's have a look at Josh Curran.
He makes direct contact with moderate force. On report, bin.
Reynolds kicks across field. The Mariner back in the NRL and back scoring tries. Reynolds to Cobbo. Cobbo into the line. Lovely pass, Sibasaki. Brilliant footy, Brisbane.
Go, 4.
Now Haas. Payne Haas turns, offloads. Reynolds kicks. Guess 4. It's Mariner. Take 2. Reynolds might fancy another shot here at a 40-20. I'll tell you what. What a kick. What a shot, Adam Reynolds. Now Carrigan passing him the line was a late pass. Hunt to Arthurs. Oh, it's just getting better and better. Jesse Arthurs in the corner. Brisbane are making a statement.
Yep. Satilli. Again, he hasn't wrapped and he makes direct contact with moderate force.
Now Burton, kick out, lovely ball, and they're in. Marcelo Montoya scores the opening try in the second half, and importantly for Canterbury, their first try of the match.
Report, and you go into the bin.
Marcelo Montoya, who's going to the bin.
Careless foul play.
Apologies, Marcelo Montoya.
Yeah, okay. Contact may be high, but he can't jump out of the way.
That's better.
And here's the contest. Carraz gets a catch on it inside, and there's a try. The Bulldogs have got another one. Their second try of the half through Preston.
Just have a look at contact here, okay?
He's having a night out, Katoni Staggs. Both sides of the ball. Hayward to Sexton, through the hands they go. Crichton.
Oh, wow.
Throws up a pass. Was he held? No, it is play on. Preston. He'll play it. 5 away from the line. Now Sexton. Hayward. Kick out, calling for it. He gets it. Gets a pass away, and the Bulldogs have got their third.
Just wait and see what happens here. So high and then high. It's a double high contact. And maybe someone go into the bin here, and that'll be for the remainder of the match, Soldy.
Yep, force, direct ahead. Reporting on the bin, mate.
Haas. Colossus standing in the tackle.
Go quick.
And they'll take the
There's
two
your mark,
here,
Corey.
you'd think. Here's the last play of the game, a kick, and Billy Walters will put an exclamation mark on this one for the Broncos. Full time at Suncorp, the Broncos 42 have defeated the Bulldogs 18 to kick off Anzac round.